Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can track objects in CapCut PC. So here you can just start by adding the clips that you want to edit. So for example, in this video, I'm going to track the lead ladle on the video. So what you need to do is first zoom in the clip. So let's click on the video and here adjust the scale to go with here, and then after that you can add a keyframe on the positions in here. Then just move forward and follow the movement of the ladle to just scale like this, and then you can just adjust the position along with the movement like this. Okay, so just follow along the movement of the clip. Until it finishes move. So now it's done, and this is the final result. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.